push me! Push him!
Yikes, dude, you hurt my ears. Have your Discord friends ever complained that your mic is too quiet, but the second you rage in a game, you completely blow out their eardrums? Stop downloading bloated, laggy audio software to fix it. Today, I'm gonna show you a completely free, zero latency setup using only one lightweight plugin that forces your mic to stay at exact same volume no matter how loud you scream. The first thing you need to do is install hi-fi cable from Voicemeeter. Just click on download. It will download in a second. Go to your downloads folder. You will have a zip folder called hi-fi cable. Just click on it. Extract it to your downloads folder, double click on the executable, and in this window you will see install here. Just click on it, let it do its thing, and restart your computer. The second thing we need is asio for all, so click on the link in the description and install it. After that's installed, launch it. It will prompt you up saying that you want to give administration privileges. Just click yes. Just click next a few times. Just click next, and install. I'm not going to install because I have done it, but you can go ahead and click install there. The third thing we need is Lighthost. I will link it down in the description. Just click on Lighthost win64.zip. Once you got that downloaded, extract it to your desktop. When you extract it, you will have a folder named Lighthost on your desktop. Double click on it to open it. Double click Lighthost to open it. Now you will have an icon like this one or like this. Now go to Lighthost and left click on it. Go to Preferences, select Audio Device Type ASIO, click Show Advanced Settings, click Control Panel. Now you need to identify your microphone. Mine is Fi-Fi microphone. Click the little power button next to the input one, and for the output you will need hi-fi cables output, so identify that one, and for the output, click on the little power button next to it. Now you will have your audio devices popped up on Lighthost. Tick all of the output channels and the input channel. Select your desired sample rate and buffer size. The fourth thing we need is Loud Max, so click on the fourth link in the description and click on VST3 plugin for Windows PC 64-bit. Once that is downloaded, open it up, extract it to your desktop. Now you have your plugin. Click on the Lighthost icon, click Edit Plugins, click on Options, scan for new or updated VST3 plugins, add your desktop here, just click on Desktop and click OK, click Scan, and you will have LoudMax plugin. Now you have LoudMax plugin in your available plugins. Close this window, go to Lighthost tray icon again, click on it, you will see a few available plugins here. Just go to Thomas Mund, click on LoudMax, and then you will have active plugin as LoudMax. Hover over it and click Edit. Now you will have 2 meters showing up on your screen. The bottom slider is your volume. So if I scream like this, it will stay at a consistent volume of -6 or whatever you set it to. If I do like -15, you will see that my voice got very quiet, or at least quieter than before. So adjust this to your liking. I would suggest that you would do -6 for most microphones. You will have your microphone volume peaking at -6 instead of clipping or distortion. Now that your mic sounds perfect, your camera is probably the next thing holding you back. Click this video right here where I show you how to turn your phone into a high quality webcam for free. I'll see you over there.